how to fix Roblox friend list not showing online. Here's how you can fix it fast, which is Roblox friend list not showing online. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch your settings and then click on the Wi-Fi option, disconnect and wait for a few minutes and then again reconnect to it. Next, you need to log out and log back into your Roblox account. For that, you need to launch your Roblox application. After that, navigate to the More page or go with More, which will be on the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and then scroll down and hit towards the option Log Out or Sign Out, which will be on the bottom. So once you've logged out, now wait for a few seconds and then again log back in. Likewise, check the server status of Roblox. For that, you need to launch your preferred browser, then navigate to a website which is Down Detector. After searching for Down Detector, just simply go with the first option, search for Roblox, and check the server status of Roblox. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, you need to check privacy settings in your Roblox. For that, you need to close the launcher and open up your Roblox. Go with the menu More, which will be on the bottom, and then just scroll down and go with Settings. Under Settings, you need to head over to the Privacy section. Over here, you're going to find the option Who can see your online status. After that, you need to set that to No One. And all you have to do is update your Roblox app. For that, you need to launch your Play Store or your App Store. So if you're using your Android, you can go with your Play Store and go with search, which will be on the bottom, and then search for Roblox. After searching, if you have any updates on your Roblox, just simply go with update, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. Make sure that you're using the latest version. Or if all of these fixes doesn't work, then you can just simply go and contact Roblox support team. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your device. So this is how you can easily fix Roblox friend list not showing, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.